Hi guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. So how's the shopping spree going for y'all? Is it completely done or yet to be done or not done at all? Well, to ask this question to a girl, whether shopping is done, I think is totally irrelevant because for us girls, shopping is never done, right? It's like an ongoing process. Anyway, so today I'm going to share with y'all a mini haul which I have done. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, just to give y'all a little backstory, knowing the circumstances that we all are going through, I was a little apprehensive to buy any kind of, dresses during this festive season. So I told my parents that I don't want any clothes. I told my husband that, I don't want any new attire, but as the tradition goes that during the puja time we have to wear something new, whether you step out of the house or whether you're sitting at home. Wearing something new is actually it's a must because that's the culture, right? So respecting everyone's decision, I went ahead and I was like, okay, fine, I will buy few clothes. So what my parents have gifted, I'll just show it to you all. So the first thing is it's a beautiful dress. Okay, this I got from Pantaloons. This is the dress and it comes till my knee length, of course depending on your height. So for me it comes till my knee length. It's a crepe material and very comfortable, and and the brand is People, yes, and it's very, very, very comfortable. So the reason I'll tell you, the reason why I bought this color specifically, because when I went to shop for Anya, I bought the same dress, but of course the size was different. So when she saw that, I went for shopping, and she was like, she insisted me that, Mama, you have to buy the same kind of dress because, we can, one day both of us can wear the same dress and we'll be like twinning. So I was like, of course, yes, why not? That's a very good idea. So that's the reason I bought this one. The second one which I got, same design, same pattern, same cut, everything is same, just the color is different. Same brand, People ka hi hai. That was the blue color and this is the pink color. As you can see, very pretty, very comfortable. So this was the second one. I will do a try on, I'll show it to you all also, how does it look on me after this, after I show all the things what I have bought. Then this is a white dress that Amar had gifted. This is from West Side Wardrobe. It's white and it's net color, it's net material, and again comes till my knee length, very pretty. And off late I have started loving the color white. I think it's such an elegant color. So yes, this is the one. And another one, 1 minute, I've just kept it here. This is look at this top. It's such a pretty top. I like the ruffles here, the sleeves, the ruffles, and this is actually, you can't say that it's a casual wear, of course not. It's a semi-formal kind of thing wherein you can team this particular shirt with a trouser or a denim. It's going to look beautiful. Yes. So these were the clothes that I bought, and my sister also gifted me a salwar suit. So let me just show it to you all. It's a beautiful dark green color ka hai. This is the one. I actually haven't even tried it out, to be honest. Chicken, chicken, right? Yeah, you say chicken only. ये काम किया हुआ है यहाँ पर, full work done. Yeah, So when I wear it, I think you all can understand how it will look on me. And of course it has got a legging along with this, wherein you know यहाँ पर भी काम है. Yes. So these are the dresses for my Durga Puja, for Diwali. सब हो गया है. You know, I don't need any more dresses, so I'm done with my dresses. Now let me just show you all few of the cosmetics that I have bought. It's not, you know, it's nothing ज़्यादा भी कुछ नहीं है. It's something which, 1 minute. It's something which I few of the essentials rather I can say, because why I tell you, I need, since we do makeup on a regular basis, you know, when we are, you know, filming a video or something, so for that primer is very important. And I have always been using a Color Bar ka primer, and I have heard very good reviews of this Nykaa ka primer. So this time I wanted to try out Nykaa ka primer, so I bought this Nykaa ka primer, Prep Me Up face primer, and it is 30 gram and the cost was $4.99. Yes, so this was my first buy. The second one was you know, since nowadays we are using too much of matte lipsticks, our lips, in spite of, I think I'm getting a cold, excuse me, in spite of you know, using exfoliating our lips, so our lips, you know, tend to get very chapped and dry. So because of that reason, I always moisturize my lips before I go to bed, and my lip balm was over, and I always rely on this particular lip balm from Baby Lips. Bought this lip balm and I completely swear by this. It's Baby Lips Maybelline ka, and it is 2 gram, and the cost is 260, and the shade is Grapefruit. I actually did not even open it because I was just waiting for, you know, the haul video ki main aap log ke saath I will just open it up. Oh my god, it's a tedious task to open these packages. Okay, let me just do a quick swatch. I hope कुछ तो color आए, because I like the tinted lip balms. नहीं, वैसे कोई smell तो है नहीं. No, there is no smell. Yeah, but the color is beautiful. See, I like the, you know, the ones which gives a very glossy finish. Yeah, because generally, you know, Nivea and all those things, I really don't like, because they say that they are very good lip balms and all, but they are not hydrating and moisturizing, so I don't like that. Anyway, so the next one, my favorite concealer. I can do without a foundation, but without a concealer, I just cannot, you know, step out of the house. Now, if you ask me why, because अभी छुट्टी का टाइम है, right? We are watching, you know, we are watching movies, and editing के लिए भी थोड़ा time जाता है, so late nights and everything. So when you have to step out of the house, these dark circles are, they are too frightening. So for that, my go-to product is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and I love the shade Medium Beige. Yes, I swear by this product. And the cost is $695. Don't worry guys, I will be listing down all the products in the description box, so if at all you all want to check it out, you definitely can check them out. The next one is I bought, ये है Mamaearth Neem face mask with neem and tea tree. Actually, the thing is, it's not for me though. My daughter Anya, you know, off late I'm seeing that she's getting a little bit pimples and zits. So I have heard good reviews of this product, so I wanted to try it out. And neem, any which ways, it's pretty good. And Mamaearth claims that it's safe for children as well. So that is the reason I've purchased this. So if you want the review of any of the product that I'm showing, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do so. The next product which I bought is, okay, I think by now you all know that I love blush. Okay, blushing. So powder blush, of course, I do use, but if given me an option, I always would prefer tints, because tints ka staying power is much more than that of a powder blush. I use Face Shop ka. In fact, initially I started using Benetint ka. Yeah, Benetint ka, the chotu wala. I did not buy the big one. I bought the small one only. And I still use it, but it's like, you know, when I'm stepping out to a good party and stuff, then only I use Benetint. Otherwise, on a regular basis, I don't use Benetint. I use Face Shop Pink Matte 02. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shade. So I did, you know, I tried finding it out in Nykaa, but it's out of stock. I've tried finding it in Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere it's out of stock. Then I saw that this particular tint called Etude House ka Dear Darling tint from Etude House, and I bought the shade PK002, and the cost is 450 for I think it's 10 grams. Yeah, I think it's 10 grams. Look at this, and it's a jelly form. Okay, wait 1 minute. Let me just open it. You know, I'll just tell you something. You see all these things, they are very good to, you know, it's wonderful to look and all, but काम कुछ नहीं होता. मतलब अगर you're just sitting at home doing nothing at all, then long nails are wonderful. But the minute you have to work now, they are disgusting. Trust me. Okay. Okay. Ah, it's nice smell though. I have a habit of smelling. I don't know why. Oh wow. Look at this. I cannot use it right now because abhi, you know, look at this. Oh my god. I think it's a very good tint. Guys, do try it out, huh? Powder blush chhod ke try the tints. It works like magic. Trust me. The next thing which I bought, very very simple thing, nothing koi fancy kuch nahi hai. I heard very good reviews of this thing. Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily fresh feel for soft and glowing skin. Now I bought the Chotu wala pack because, see, again, since this is the first time I'm trying this out, I don't know how it's going to react with my skin, so I didn't go for the big tub. So let me just try it out. And this is 75 ml or 74 gram, and the cost was 120 rupees. Yes. If you want a review on this, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it again. Okay, the next one is my holy grail product without which I just cannot do. And this is Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is a magic potion, guys, trust me, because you know what, nowadays we tend to use smudge proof, waterproof, kajal, mascara and everything. Now, since this is oil infused, you just need to shake it, dab it in cotton, and one swipe and the whole thing goes off. Now, since it's oil infused, when you're using it, you know, on your face, it leaves such a moisture. You know, you'll feel a very hydrating thing on your face. Ekdam dryness hota hi nahi, because isme oil hai, and because of the oil, the whole mascara, the smudge proof thingy, it just vanishes. So I am using this for, it's been years now. I do not want to switch my what do you call, makeup remover for any other product. I've heard very good reviews of Bioderma though, but it's very expensive though. But I'm happy with this. So मेरे लिए तो ये ठीक ही है. Then I bought simple. You know, I keep on changing my nail color, so I bought Color Bar का एक छोटू नहीं, ये this is the normal size, I think 110 ml का what do you call this, acetone free nail enamel remover. ये है. I also bought that Color Bar wherein, you know, you have to dip and just rub your finger and the whole nail polish comes off. It's such a, okay, it really doesn't work for me because, you know, when the nail polish is very dark, when you're putting dark nail polishes like maroon or reds and blacks and blues, it just doesn't, the stain doesn't come off until and unless you pour the nail polish remover in a cotton or haath se na ragro na, it doesn't go. So for me, this is fine. Okay, now for the longest time, I wanted my hands on a particular lipstick. I've seen many YouTubers raving about this lipstick. I really wanted it. So the other day when I went to this, Pantaloons for the puja shopping and all, I was like, I have to buy it, nothing doing, I have to buy it. So this is the Color Bar Ka Sinful Matte Lip Color. Yes. Oh my god. First of all, I love the packaging. Oh, wait. It opens like this. Then this is it's secured very nicely. Okay. Then you open it like this, and this is magnetic, I feel. Yeah, magnetic hai. Okay, and I bought the shade Sultry Sinful Matte Lip Color, number 7. Now the best part, even this is magnetic, see. I like the awaaz. Tak. Oh wow. How beautiful this color is, guys. यहाँ पर मैं फटाफट एक swatch करती हूँ. It is very creamy, buttery texture hai. No, there is no smell. I'm sorry. I have a habit of smelling everything. It's very creamy, very buttery, and oh, it's beautiful. Again, if you want a review on this, please let me know. Definitely I'll do this. So this was my lipstick ka purchase. I've got loads of lipstick, lipstick and blush. Ye to mera, ye hai, these are my, my soft corner. Whenever I see something, some blush or lipstick, I'm like, which one to buy? It's like this. And people are so scared when they go for shopping with me. They're like, oh my god, again she's seeing something, usko tano wahan se. Anyway, last 3 things which I bought. Simple thing hai. During pujas, I wanted to experiment with my hair color because I'm kind of bored with it. I don't know whether I'll be doing it or not. So I bought BBlunt ka Deep Burgundy. I don't know whether it is actually going to come this color, because my hair color is actually, it keeps, chahe kuch bhi color de do, pata nahi, color to वैसे के वैसे ही रहता है. I don't know why. Anyway, I just bought this BBlunt Deep Burgundy color. And last 2 things rather I wanted to share with y'all is, look at this. Of late, I have started liking pearls. मुझे पहले pearls उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Diamonds are a girl's best friend for sure. Apart diamonds, see, on a regular basis we can't buy diamonds like, like this for sure. So again, Pantaloons Zindabad. So I went there and I bought these. They are so pretty. एक star shape है and this. So yeah, it's just casual, I liked it, I bought it. It is for 249 rupees, Forever Glam Ka, this one. And last but not the least, my favorite. Okay, this is from an Instagram store. I think it's from an Instagram store only. I bought it. I have to I'm actually recapitulating whether it was an Instagram store or from where, because itna sara shopping ho jata mujhe yaad nahi rehta. Okay, I love Evil Eye bracelets. Okay, look at this. Okay, let me show you all one by one. I hope you all can see it. This is one. This is the other one. And this is the third one. So I bought these Evil Eye Ka bracelets, and if I get, from where I bought it, definitely I will leave the link in the description box. It was very affordable, not that expensive, because generally what happens, in Instagram store, if you see these evil eye things, be it bracelets, be it earrings, they're way too expensive, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. But luckily, it so happened that I came across these beautiful bracelets and I'm like, nothing doing, I need it. And I just placed an order. So that was it, guys. So this was my haul video. थोड़ा बहुत dresses था, थोड़ा बहुत cosmetics, jewelry, knickknacks here and there. And I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. But please do not go. It's still not over. I'm going to show you all how the dresses fit me, because even I haven't tried all the clothes, to be honest. एक ही बार मैंने try किया था only one dress while I was buying in the pantaloons. So yes, please stay tuned and let's see how the clothes look on me. To the end of another video, and I hope you all have enjoyed. If you all have liked my video, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which would really mean a lot. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, ting ting, because you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.